Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain lesson 10. How beautiful is the rain? This is a poem. First of all, I would like to explain and I would like to tell. This poem has been written on rain in summer season. In this poem, the poet shows his happiness when it rains. He shares his experience with us about the rain. How beautiful, let's start the poem. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. So it is very hot. It is very a hot day, and now summer season is going on in the street. So the poet says that it is very hot everywhere, and suddenly when it rains, so it looks very beautiful. The rain is very beautiful in summer season. So the poet says that the rain quenches heat and settles dust. Quenches heat means गर्मी को बुझाना या गर्मी को कम करना. तो what does the rain do? The rain quenches heat and settles dust. So the rain is looking very beautiful in the street. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hooves. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Okay, students, first of all, I would like to explain about tough or difficult words. Clatters. Clatters means to make a sound, rattling sound. Spout means mouth, and tramp means long steady walk. So in second stanza, the poet explains that. Okay, students, as you know that there is a pipe on the roof. So there is a pipe on our roof. And what is the use of pipe on the roof? When there is rainy season and the water that is collected on our roof in rainy season, the rainwater comes out of the rainwater comes out through this pipe. So this is the use of pipe on our roof. So the poet explains that there is a pipe, there are pipes on the roofs in the street. Now it is raining. It is raining in the street, and water has been collected on the roofs. And the water is having problem. Water is having problem to come out through the pipes. So there is difficulty for the rainwater to come out through the pipe. So the poet explains about the difficulty of rainwater, कि how it is very difficult for the rainwater to come out through the pipe in the rain. Across the window pane it pours, and swift and wide with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars. The rain, the welcome rain. Students, tide. Tide means rise and fall of water. And gutter. What is the meaning of gutter? Drain, yani nali. So in third stanza, the poet explains about the window pane. The poet says that the poet explains about the sound of rainwater. He explains when the rainwater flows यानी बहना, when the rainwater falls on the window pane, it makes a sound of water, swift and wide, like a river down the gutter roars, and the water, the welcome rain. And in many places, the rainwater has been collected. The drains are full of rain water. The sick man from his chamber looks at the twisted brooks. He can feel the cool breath of each little pool. His fevered brain grows calm again, and he breathes a blessing on the rain. In fourth stanza, the poet explains about a sick man. Sick man means ill man. So the man, in fourth stanza, the man with fever feels the coolness brought on by the rain. It means the sick man has a fever, but when he looks out from the window, he feels coolness. So the rain gives relief. The rain gives him relief from the heat. The sick man is also happy by seeing rain outside, and he is feeling coolness. From the neighboring school come the boys with more than their wonted noise and commotion, and down the wet street sail their mimic fleets, till the treacherous pool engulfs them in its whirling and the turbulent ocean. So in fifth stanza, the poet explains about the school boys. So from the neighboring school, the school boys play in the rain. They enjoy the rain. In summer, they make paper's boat and sail in the rainwater. Turbulent. Turbulent means violent. Okay students, as you know that when the water is collected on same place, so we make paper boats and sail in it. Sail means chalana. So in collected water, when the sail, when the paper boats sail, so we always see at some distance the paper boat sail very easily, and some and sometimes it moves round and round in the water and it stops suddenly. In the country, on every side, where far and wide, like a leopard's tawny and spotted hide, stretches the plain to the dry grass and the drier grain. How welcomes is the rain. So here the poet explains that the color the color of the trees and grass have have been turned yellow. Why? Because summer season is going on and the plants and trees, grass need water. So when it rains, trees, plants and grass also enjoy the rain. When the rain falls on dry grasses, it gives relief, plants, trees and grass from the heat also. So every plant, tree, animal and the poet also are very happy in the rain. I finish my video here. Thanks for watching.